Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error code CE-100045-0 when you get an update on your PlayStation and then all of a sudden the game database is corrupted and you cannot delete the game. If you go over options and you go to delete, you cannot delete it. So the first thing we want to try is go up to the settings option right here and select this. Then go on down to users and accounts and then go on down to other. Then go to restore licenses for downloaded content you can't use. Then, this may take about 2 or 3 minutes to do. Go over to console sharing offline play and make sure this is enabled for your specific account also. Then you can back out of here, and what you can do is press the PlayStation button, open up the quick menu, and then switch users and try deleting the game on a different user. So let's go to my second user here. And also we could try downloading the game on a second user as well. So we can go over the game now, press options, and try deleting it right here. Now if that doesn't work, press the PlayStation button, open up the quick menu once again, and go on over to the power options and go to turn off PlayStation 5 and completely turn it off. Don't go to rest mode. We want to start our PlayStation 5 in the safe mode menu. Now take a USB cable just like this, plug it into your PlayStation 5 and the other end into your controller. And wait for the light on the light bar here to stop blinking. And when it does, hold down the power button on the front of the PlayStation 5. You will hear one beep, and then about 10 seconds later you will hear another beep. And that will be indication that your PlayStation 5 is starting in the safe mode menu. Then go to your controller, press the PlayStation button, and then you can operate the safe mode with the D-pad and select options with X. But make sure your PlayStation 5 is completely turned off to enter the safe mode. Now there's a couple different options under here that we can go ahead and try. The first option I would recommend is to go to option number 3, repair console storage. And this should fix any kind of issues that you're having with your SSD or your storage. Then you can go to update system software and just go to update using internet and just see if applying a new copy of the PlayStation system software fixes your issue. Then we can go on down to option number 6, clear cache and rebuild database. Then go to rebuild database on your PlayStation. But that should help you out as well. And it says it will take a few hours, but in my experience when you go to this option, it only takes maybe 5 to 10 minutes. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.